Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Honda PCX150 motor scooter. This is the ABS edition, and believe it or not, this thing has only 1 mile on the odometer. Perfect showroom. The owner bought it and never rode it, so you can get a virtually brand new PCX150 with 1 mile on the odometer for just $39.90. This bike is not going to be here long. Automatic transmission, 2-up riding, freeway legal. Come on by and make your motor scooter dreams come true for just $39.90. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.